Okay, you're recording. Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Tara, creator within me. I thought I would just share a bit with everyone with regards to what's taking place with the energies. So we are um, at a phase where the word that I received was explosive. The month of September is just going to be very, very explosive, and we are experiencing a massive influx of photonic light that is coming in into the planet. The energies are, to say the least, chaotic right now because of the fact that we need to be woken up, like literally shook and woken up. And we as a collective have been fast asleep for too long. And it is time that we are now beginning to recognize the fact that whatever it is that we have called our own, be it our beliefs, be it our ways of being, be it the conditions that the society has put on us and we continue to adhere to it, they don't belong to us. We need to understand that all of that has been handed down to us by our parents, by their parents, by the schooling structure, by the society, and we've just ended up, going along and just kind of, adhering to all of that. So we are now needing to find our own voice. So with this influx of massive photonic light, any and all kind of constriction where we are fearing to find our own voice, we are fearing to stand up for ourselves um, for the reason of not being accepted or being ridiculed or whatever have you. All of that is now a part of the old structure that needs to break. So this old structure that is kind of broken down is what is being experienced by everyone. And the mayhem that we experience, the chaos in the political arenas, all of this is because of the fact that, as I'm talking about, those of you who are Indians and following the news, there's a huge amount of stuff happening with the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now, I was told that to begin with itself, the first day when I had heard the news, I knew that it was his death was coded with certain freedom codes, which meant that he, by way of crossing over, leaving the planet, he is going to be unraveling, opening up, if you may, a huge nexus of the old. So the entire programming of domination and control, false light, what we were forced to adhere to. So no one is to be blamed here. We are not saying, we're not going to be taking sides here any longer. I am someone who does not exist in polarities. I am speaking from a very neutral space here. So no one is to be blamed. It's just that we didn't know any better, and we just continued to follow the norm. One generation comes, it just takes on from the last generation and then just goes on. That's it. So we are now being made to kind of wake up to the fact that we have been following a herd mentality, to the fact that it's literally human farming going on here, and we need to stand up for ourselves and know what is it that I want out of life, what is it that I prefer for myself. If marriage is being pushed down my throat, if I don't want it because it's something that I do not align with it any longer, then do I need to go through it just because a part of the society then will otherwise, call me an outcast? So we are being called to accept our own selves irrespective, just the way we are, unapologetically, fiercely claiming who we truly are and stepping up for ourselves and understanding that we are these sovereign beings of light. So whoever is still sleeping is going to be experiencing a lot of chaos. That is what these photonic particles are doing as they enter us. They are going to be bringing up chaos from within. So whatever it is that is still unaccepted about your own self is what is going to be coming up in the weeks and the months to come. So if we are able to do the inner process of taking up our back from everything that we have given up our to, we would be finding ourselves more in line with these energies instead of, so basically we won't be swimming against the tide, and it becomes easier for us to deal with it. So this entire today's topic came from somebody asking me, how do we manage with this intent during these intense times and this strong energy that's coming in. So the only way to manage it is going within, seeing wherever we have given up power and control to something on the outside, which I truly do not believe, but I need to believe and I need to go along because the society wants me to go along. So taking your controls and power back and moving forward is the only way, because the new is coming, the new is here. No one can reject it. The energies are totally unrelenting right now. So they are going to ensure that the new is brought forward. So the old structures are going to be breaking down very fast. So the faster we are able to get into our own space, the sovereign being of light that I am, the sooner you would be finding yourself to be, more in a space of ease and flow. So it's just a short video that I wanted to do today because we were having a lot of issues with lighting and stuff. So I would be posting more tomorrow. And yeah, we will wait for your comments. Thank you so much. And as always, stay happy, stay blessed, irrespective. Enjoy life. Thank you.